Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson. In this video, we're going to go through some practice questions on natural and whole numbers. These problems will help you understand the difference between the two and give you a chance to apply what you've learned. List the first 5 natural numbers and the first 5 whole numbers. Let's start with the basic one. What are the first 5 natural numbers? As we learned in the first lesson, natural numbers are counting numbers. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, what about whole numbers? Whole numbers include all natural numbers and 0. So the first 5 whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Did you catch the difference? It's that little 0 at the beginning. Second question, is 0 a natural number? Is it a whole number? This one tests your definitions. Is 0 a natural number? No, it's not. Natural numbers start from 1 because they're counting numbers. But is 0 a whole number? Yes. Whole numbers start from 0 and go on. So 0 is not a natural number, but it is a whole number. Question number 3. How many whole numbers are there between 0 and 20 inclusive? So that means including 0 and 20. So we'll have to write down all the numbers from 0 to 20, including both ends. And how many numbers is that? If you're to count them, it's 21 whole numbers because we're counting from 0 to 20, not just the gap between them. You can do this quickly by subtracting the smallest number from the largest, then adding 1. So if you take the largest number, which is 20, minus 0, and then you add 1 to that, it also gives you 21 numbers. Question 4. The sum of 2 natural numbers is 35. One of them is 18. What is the other? Here we're told 2 natural numbers add up to 35, and one of them is 18. So to find the other number, we have to subtract 35 minus 18. And we get 17. And that is our answer. The other number is 17. And now for the last question. Fill in the blank. Every natural number is a dash number, but not every dash number is a natural number. This one tests your understanding with a logical statement. Think about it. Natural numbers are part of the whole numbers. So the full sentence should say, every natural number is a whole number, but not every whole number is a natural number. Why not? Because 0 is a whole number, but it's not a natural number.